Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have an unboxing of the Alicia Craft Advent. Well, okay, who are we kidding? It's absolutely not an unboxing. I'm being a whole fraud right now. I ripped this open the second that it was delivered, so I've already gone through all of this, and just spoiler alert, in my humble opinion, 10 out of 10. But it is still available in her shop, so I thought that I would share it with you in case you wanted to see. Obviously, huge spoiler warning, if you got the day-by-day advent, don't watch this video. Just click out and catch the next one. But yeah, huge spoiler warning. Yeah, delayed gratification is absolutely not in my vocabulary, so I just got the option where there weren't individual envelopes, so it all just came in one envelope. If you've watched literally any of my other videos over the past couple months, you know I am the conductor of the Alicia Craft train. Everything she does is immaculate, so there was no way that I wasn't getting this advent. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to hop in here. And since I already went through this, it's probably not in the correct order, so just ignore that. But also, since I did not get the envelope version, I'm not sure what goes with what day. But yeah, so let's hop in here. So first we've got the freebies. So we've got a sparkly red freebie, and then a Christmassy green freebie, and then the winter freebie in silver. And then there are a couple deco sheets. So we've got tiny dot clusters in silver. These are adorable. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So the cutie little tiny sparkles in gold. And then we've got snowflake clusters in silver, and then Christmas tree clusters. And I'm not sure what green this is, but it's a really pretty grassy green color. So then we've got a ton of bottom washi overlays. So first we've got the bow 15 millimeter, and then the bow confetti in sparkly red, and then the bow and bow confetti in sparkly hollow, and then the same two in champagne lights, and then just regular gold in the same two as well, and then red in both, and then green in both as well. And then these are super fun. So they are ribbon 15 millimeters, so your washi will look like a cute little present. How fun is that? So we've got silver and gold, and then this is a double line in silver and gold as well. And then there is a lace pattern both in silver and gold again. And then we've got some wintry ones. So we've got a snowscape in silver and gold. And I just think this is so freaking pretty. And then we've got a cityscape, which is just equally as pretty, in both silver and gold as well. And then the sleigh in silver and gold, and this is so freaking adorable. Okay, so that was all of the bottom washi, and then we've got some scripts. So this is kind of a holiday bucket list kind of thing. So there's an unfoiled sheet, and then silver and gold. And then, okay, these I'm very stoked about. So they are Christmas quote samplers. So basically all the quotes are kiss cut or whatever. So you have a lot more room to play with your placement in those. So I think that's super fun. So we've got silver, gold, red, and then green. And then there are some underlays, and y'all already know if she brings these Christmas lights to shop next year, I am buying them in bulk. They are so freaking cute. So these are in gold. And then, oh my God, these ornaments in sparkly, just, they're beautiful. They're just, I want to cry. They're so pretty. So yeah, these are another one that I will be buying multiple of if she brings them to shop next year. But how freaking beautiful are those? Okay, then we've got the Christmas tree underlays in green. And then the reindeer underlays. I believe this is either copper or bronze. I was looking at her swatches on her website and I couldn't really tell, but I'm pretty sure it's one of those two. But those are very pretty as well. And then there are a couple foil bundles. So there's just the regular confetti in champagne lights. So we've got the full box overlays and then the underlays, which I believe are the medium confetti, and then the headers and swoops and dangles, and then the bottom washi page with the date dots, deco, and dividers as well, and the add-on page with the extra full boxes and some more like decorative elements. So we've got that in champagne lights, and then there was the same bundle in sparkly red. So we've got the full boxes and full box underlays, the headers and dangles, the bottom washi, and then the add-on page. And then we've got the peppermint bundle in red. This is a super cute pattern. So we've got the full boxes. Look how cute those underlays are. And then the header page has some extra full boxes in the like candy cane pattern. And then we've got the bottom washi and then the add-on page. And then lastly, we have the gingerbread foil bundle. And I believe this is the same foil as the reindeer. So like either copper or bronze, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so we've got the full boxes and these cute as fuck underlays. And then the header page and the extra underlays, the bottom washi page, and the add-on with the extra boxes and deco bits. So yeah, that is everything for the Alicia Craft Advent. Overall, I am very pleased with everything. It's all impeccable, beautiful quality, and the value is really good. And I think she did a really good job of mixing like everyday foil with holiday foil. I think it's all fairly neutral. Like even like the Christmassy, wintry stuff is neutral for like Christmas. Like you could use it with pretty much any Christmas or winter kit. So yeah, anyway, this Advent gets a huge thumbs up from me. If you got it too, let me know how you liked it. And thank you all so much for watching and hanging out today. And I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.